Hello guys, welcome to Middle Eastern Kitchen. Today I wanna teach you how to make black tea for breakfast. First of all, we must put down a kettle of water on fire until water boiling point. This is number 1 black tea from Kenya in Africa. I personally use 3 teaspoons of black tea for a full flask. Now water is boiling and the steam is coming out. It's time to spill boiling water in the flask. I hope you enjoy from this hot and delicious drink. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and subscribe button. It's very helpful to me.